Wait till you check this out. This home is literally a short hop over to the St. Catharines Pool and Sawgrass Grove. It's this distance, you know, with your 2 feet. Sorry, I got my keys in my hand. Or probably like a minute by golf cart, and then 8 minutes over to Eastport. Amazing location. I'm here in St. Catharines at 744 Barron Court. This is a 3-2 hammock floor plan. Has LVP flooring, quartz countertops, split bedrooms, 2-car garage. It can be yours. The price is right. I'm Robyn Cavallaro. I'm a realtor here in the Villages, Florida. I'm so happy you're here. We're gonna go on in and take it. I can't go in there right now because Todd's got the camera in the living room and I always interrupt him when I'm doing the video, so I gotta wait a minute. But it's a hot minute because it is hot out. But gotta love Florida, and I played pickleball this morning, so this is part of the lifestyle that you get. Pickleball in the morning, video, showing homes in the afternoon. Gotta love it. All right, let's go on in and take a look around at 744 Barron Place in the village of St. Catharines. Oh, it's $415,000. I bet you were waiting for that. All right, let's go on in. All right, so this is the entranceway and there's a closet. I take my flip-flops off. It drives me nuts. But got a closet right here. And open up, high volume ceiling, no popcorn. And this is all luxury vinyl plank flooring, which this owner put in when they purchased the home. Todd is now outside. Kitchen, pantry. They put all new hardware on the, because you know the new homes, they don't come with hardware. And also that range is brand new. And I like because these islands have storage here. So you have an extra place to store some pots and pans and things you might not use a lot. But I do want you to take a look over here on the side. I want to show you my garage. And if you're looking to pick up space, you do it in your closets with closet organizers. You have to do it in your garage with garage organization. I cannot begin to tell you how much space I have. It's like I've got cabinets in there now that have things that were in my kitchen that I wasn't using all the time. And I picked up so much space. So you definitely want to check it out. Garage Designs did the work. And if you mention my name, you get an extra 5% off of your job. Big sink. Let's see, back over there, that's Isel. I mean, literally right there. I'll go out with an eye later. I want to give you another, a lot of windows in here. This room is very bright. So that hallway takes you down to the laundry room, the garage, 2 bedrooms and a bathroom, but here's the primary suite. And there's a closet here as well. Come on, you can't tell me, you can't have all that much stuff. Downsize, people. So this is St. Catharines. These homes were built, they're like 3 years old. And I'll have all the information about the bond, the CDD, all of that right below. Again, closet organizers here. This is a big closet. If you just put the right organization in here, you won't have a problem. This couple, like most, are ready to trade up. They want a bigger home. And primary bathroom, dual sinks, there I am. And now that's a tile shower. That's not that cheap insert with a shower door, and there's a pocket door there. Okay. Plenty of room. You could even mount a TV on the wall. Keep the dresser there. That's a king size bed. So you've got a lot of options in here. And there's another closet. Laundry. Bathroom number 2. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. I'm interested to hear what you think about the home. And also, if you're looking for a pre-owned home, you know you need MLS and VLS. I put that in every video because I don't want anyone to tell me I didn't know. And I didn't see everything that you need to see. This room has a closet. Bedroom number 3. This you could still a sleeper sofa in here and a desk. That's a little desk, but you could, really make this a nice office space and a closet. Now in this home, the air handler is in the laundry room. And we have tankless hot water because we are in St. Catharines, south of 44, and we have natural gas. So this is your standard 2-car garage. So they're able to fit their car, a golf cart, and workout equipment. And this is 19 feet deep from about an inch off of the wall to the inside of the garage door where you would have actually usable parking space. Public record's a little deceiving, and can't stress this enough. I have had 3 buyers recently that have these really big trucks, and not a lot of the homes are built to accommodate that big of a vehicle, and they have a hard time trying to find something. Let's go just take a walk around the outside. It's all nice and freshly pressure washed. Let me take a quick look outside. And the pond and the pool is right on the other side there. You can see they just got everything clean. We'll take a walk around. All right, and thank you for joining me on this home tour of 744 Barron Place in the village of St. Catharines. And don't forget, if you need a place to stay, book Clara's Cottage. It's in the village of McClure. It's a beauty. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.